Greetings, friend. Have you ever used Microsoft Word for a big project, as for a business pitch or a final grade in your classroom? And it's almost 11 pages long. Look at this. That's a lot of pages. And guess what? Microsoft did what it always does at the most inopportune time. Crashes. That's right. It's all gone, and you didn't save. Guess what? I got a little secret for you. Something that'll help you in the future next time. That's right. Oh, no, it wasn't this. You guys weren't supposed to see this. This is a little secret I do have. I love puppies. But anyways, let's go to google.com. And all you need is a Gmail account. It's really simple to set up. Go over here, click Docs, because that's what we want. It's just like Microsoft Word. If you may be thinking, if it's just like Microsoft Word, why do I want to use this? It's just going to do the same things Microsoft Word does. But wait, this one, you don't need a save button. That's right, saves on its own. You may be thinking I'm full of myself, just full of it. Guess what? Let's test it. I love puppies. Let's blow this up so you can see it. Right there. I love puppies. Now, if I hit this red X, you're probably going to think, what a silly dummy. He's going to lose all that progress that he just put in. Those simple 3 words. Let's do it. Oh no, it's canceled out. Now let's open up Chrome. Go to Google Docs. And look at this. 343, 343. Same time. We just worked on this. Now, boom, look at that. Still there, just as we left it. Impressive, right? I know. There's more though. You can access this from anywhere. Say you want to work at a coffee shop and do your homework. Well, it's easy if you have their internet access. Then you can go to google.com, work on it through your Gmail account, and it's easy access as long as there's internet anywhere. Another thing is you can share it. This is one of my favorite things. You can share it with group mates so they can work on it on their own time when your times to meet up are not compatible and you can't work on a project together efficiently. And then, if you see something wrong that they did, such as this right here, you can leave a little comment to let them know. You forgot to lowercase the p. And there you go. Left the comment for them to see next time they get back to the project so that they can see it and fix it. That way you're checking them and they're checking you. Now, my most favorite thing about this is that it's free. That's right, free. Microsoft Word, you have to pay for the program in order to get all that stuff, and a lot of it is just not worth the money because you get all this junk with it. But this is simple and easy. It's free. You can access it anywhere that has internet and it's free. So that's it. You can share it with anybody, access it anywhere. It saves it even when it crashes. You can comment on people's stuff to let them know if they messed up on something. And it's free. Did I forget free? Oh yeah, it's free. That's right. You want this. Don't forget Google Docs.